Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's see how to replace the battery of this Philips trimmer, hair trimmer, beard trimmer. Actually this one, when we remove the blade, the motor does rotate a bit, but when you fix the blade it does not work. It's because the battery is not having enough current to run the motor when the load is applied. So for that we need to replace the battery. To replace the battery, take a plunger, and also you can see there are marks. Customer has already tried to disassemble this unit. As he could not solder the new battery, he brought it to me. So for that, to removing it, first insert a plunger here and twist it gently. Okay. I don't know whether already the customer has broken some of the locks. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope that locks are not broken. Be gentle. Okay. I'll show you where all the locks are located. Here you see one and opposite, but here it is broken already. One, this is broken. Here one, this is okay, this one is good. So now we need to replace the battery. For that we'll desolder it. Just confirm that the power is off and no charger is connected. Here you see this is positive and the other terminal is negative. That is, this blue wire is going to be connected at the positive and these two as negative. For that, first we will solder this one. Note that this battery, it is a NiMH nickel metal hydride battery, and it is, here there is a laser carving, it is 1.2 volts. So same thing here, the milliampere, if it is of higher milliampere then the battery backup will be more. Here you can see 1.2 volts AAA nickel metal hydride battery. So I have soldered the negative terminal. Now I will solder the positive one. Now apply some soldering paste. Take the battery. This is the positive terminal. Hold it. Let it cool down. Now these two terminals, the negative terminals, just try to twist them together. Apply and paste. Okay, sorting is good. Okay, now take the cover. If you want, you can just remove this sticker from here and fix it on the top so that the battery won't vibrate inside. Now take the cover, start fixing it from the bottom side. You can see these two terminals, they need to be connected here for charging. Just press it here, here. Okay, now we'll fix the blade and check. See, the battery needs to be charged yet. So let me connect the charger. Connected the charger. So we will wait for it to charge completely. And NMH batteries need maintenance, that is once in a month or 2 months once they need to be discharged completely and charged full and then used. It can't be used for charging it for several minutes, that is 15%, 20% charging and then using it. In that case the battery life will be reduced. After charging it for 4 hours, see the power, you see, it's good. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your Philips hair trimmer, beard trimmer. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.